How to make an offer, how to make an irresistible offer. People don't buy products, they buy offers. Now, let me give you an example. Have you gone to a hotel or a club when you see harlots calling you? One thing you will always hear them say is, please, bros, come. Bros, come, we will do you well. Come, I will treat you well. That is an offer in their own term to your clients. So an offer in this term is simply bonuses or assurances you are giving to your potential buyer that whatever it is that you are selling will work for them. You don't sell commodity to people, you sell offer to them. There are two main things that happen when you sell an offer. Number one, when you sell offers, people get to pay you higher. So you make higher amount of money selling offers instead of you selling product as a commodity. Next, people get results and fulfillment so they don't feel cheated. How do you make an offer? There are many types of offer. Number one is add bonuses. Number two is total risk reversal. So how do you go about each of these steps? Assuming you are an affiliate selling a 50K product and the product does not come with some kind of offers, though you know it will work for you or you have used it and it has worked for you, many people will not buy because it is just a commodity. Remember, people don't buy commodities, they buy offers. Commodities don't pay you high ticket, offers do. So what you do is add some bonuses. Let's assume the affiliate product you are selling is a fitness course, and then it didn't come with any kind of offer or bonuses. So how do you do? So what you do is add some bonuses like 30 days daily workout sheets. For someone looking for a weight loss product, 30 days workout sheet is a complementary product that he can use to apply the things he's learning from the course he's taking. In addition to the 30 days worksheet, you add like 15 minutes coaching program every week for the next 4 weeks. Because the person buying that course, we need to talk to an expert or a colleague who has gotten results using that same product. And you are there to be the colleague he can rely on as a coach. If weight loss is your affiliate niche and you have gotten a community of people who have gotten results from your former product that you have sold or this particular product that you are selling as an affiliate, you can also offer to add anyone who purchased that product from you into an affiliate community. That means they are getting 30 days workout sheet, they are getting 15 minutes coaching call from you, and they are being added to a fitness community. 3 different bonuses once they purchase that your affiliate product that you are selling. That is an offer, because they are not just buying a weight loss product, they are also getting 3 other things that complement that cost that they are buying. So that is how to craft a bonus offer. The next offer type is total risk reversal offer. What is total risk reversal? Total risk reversal is you, the seller, giving assurance to the buyer that this product will work no matter what. Either it works or you give them their money back. So you can creatively craft an offer like, I will get these results for you, or you don't pay. Let's take an example. I will give your business double of its last year revenue, or you pay me nothing. Let's take an example. You run a marketing agency and you want to generate lead for a particular company. The company have generated 100 leads last year and they were able to close 10 of those leads. Then you offer to generate 200 leads and help them close 30% of that lead. To make it an offer is, okay, I will generate 200 lead for you this year and close 30% of this lead, or you pay me nothing. Of course, you have to be very sure of whatever it is that you are offering so that you will not be shooting yourself on the leg. But one thing everyone know and every buyer also know is the fact that total risk reversal offers work. Let's assume you want to buy a house and you meet two real estate agents and both of them assure you that the building they are selling to you is of high quality. But one particular one tell you that if the building have any default or any fault at the end of 2 years, he is going to refund you everything. Remember, the price both of them give to you is similar, but one of them offer to refund you fully and is ready to put it down on contract that anytime before the next 2 years, if the building have any foundational fault, he's ready to refund you full price. What do? You take it immediately because that is an irresistible offer. Let me give you another example. Imagine you are selling an online course and you want people to take your offer. What you do is to offer money back guarantee. So how do you offer money back guarantee? You say, okay, you are going to get so results in the next 6 months, or I will refund you 100%. Or this course is going to transform your business. But if you feel like the information in this course is not potent enough to transform your business after 30 days, I'm going to refund you fully. So that is total risk reversal. The buyer knows that if I don't like this, I'm going to receive total refund of my money. So it makes them feel at ease when they are making the purchase. Note, total risk reversal offers are the most potent offers that you can make. Also, if you have a lot of bonuses to help your buyers achieve the result they want to achieve, you can also use bonus offers as mighty tool to craft an irresistible offer. Don't forget, if you sell digital products, you can also offer free coaching services as a bonus. Free coaching services are one of the irresistible offers that you can also use because they provide a feeling of belonging, feeling of access to the people buying your digital products. So that is how to create an irresistible offer, both with total risk reversal offers and bonus offers.